What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1962 Impala. This car here has a lot of chrome accessories under the hood. AC, power steering, front disc brakes. It's supposed to have a little motor work done to it. Got a little information packet in the passenger seat. What I like to do in this video is walk around, point out any kind of flaws I can find. That includes dents, scratches, rust, any issues I see. And we also do a full test drive video, so check out the test drive video. I'll link it to the end of this one. The last 30 seconds of this video, you should be able to pull up the test drive easily. Vice versa, if you're watching the test drive video, you can pull up this one. Check us out, maplemotors.com, for financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Also, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day, or I try to. I put enough videos out for you to watch every day, that's for sure. All right, guys, we're gonna start up here in the front. Front bumper on this one is in great condition. Looks very clean. The grille, same way. Looking down the side, nice and straight. Good tires. Pretty clean looking paint job. I'm gonna come down the lower portion of the car, and then I'm gonna come back the midsection, and then come back the top, and this side will be done. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Leftover wax. Get down in the bottom of the door. There's a little bubble there popping up. Got some bubbles popping up back here. Exhaust kicked out the side. Should be on both sides. Coming down the midsection here. Love this trim work. And it's all nice and clean. The mirrors are new. A lot of your trims. This is a bit older here. I was going to say it. Most of it on the car has been replaced. They didn't replace that one, but it still looks good, so don't fix it if it's not broke. Trim around the windshield is in great shape. Nice and clean looking. We'll be shutting the hood down towards the end of the video and see how it lines up. Same thing with the back window trim. It looks great. Coming around the back, I went ahead and opened the trunk and everything, so I'm not throwing the camera around and getting y'all dizzy. Back bumper's in great shape. The jams look awesome in the trunk here. You can tell they painted them up good. Weather stripping solid. It's fairly new. There's still a little glue here and there. They may have put a little bit much in there, but it did rain earlier this week, and we had this car, and I haven't wiped anything out. They did pull the plugs at one point. Maybe it was getting water and they didn't order new ones. It's a good idea to order new ones. Keep critters out of here. Up in your package tray, you do got a bit of surface rust. Let me tilt the camera here. A little bit of surface rust popping up in there. Trunk lid's in pretty good shape. Usually check the edges for any kind of rust. That's where it'll start most of the time. I'm sure everybody's got their own story on that. We're gonna do the same thing on this side of the car. I'm gonna run down the bottom side, come up the mid section, and then finish with the top. Got some light scratches back here, a little bit of discoloration in the paint. Got a bubble there at the bottom of the door. A few little paint runs down here. Just a little thick. Now we're going to run back this midsection. This car's in good shape. Back through the top section here. Package tray looks pretty nice too. Seeing some little blotchy spots. Almost where they put the metallic inside the paint. Maybe they misted it a little thick in the center here. Still looks good. Like I said, if I seen anything, I would have pointed it out. I do that in every video. Just kind of giving you an overview instead of getting super close and zooming in on the paint job there. Under the hood, this is a newer hood. It looks awesome. Everything's nice and clean, spacious. Okay, let's go ahead and check this interior out, get this thing started up, and we'll give you some undercarriage shots as well. So I love the seats that they put in here. They're in great shape. They got a good look to them. Headliner's in good shape. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? It's got an aftermarket steering wheel, B&M shifter, aftermarket gauges. And the door panel is fairly new looking. That looks awesome. The weather stripping's great around the door. Let's look at the bottom of our door here. Solid, nice and clean. Same with the jambs. The carpet. Some decent mats sitting up in there as well. Dash is in great shape. All right. So here we go here. Let's go ahead and start her up. See, all the gauges come up. We got our oil pressure gauge, volts, fuel, and water temperature. AC does work. Here, pull down on the motor right now. It's blowing nice and hard. Got a tack right here with a very clean console. The radio does not work. I could not get it to cut on. Go ahead, place your bets on the horn, because it's up here. It's not hooked up inside here, but they do got a button on the dash with a tilt column. Your wipers are right here, you just pull out. But you gotta stop them at the bottom. Oil pressure gauge below the dash. Oil pressure gauge above the dash. I guess they didn't trust them, so they added two. Good deal. nice and quiet. The hood comes down very easy. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots. I do appreciate y'all watching this video. You can check out 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, and I insist you do that. Definitely watch both of the videos before this, before you decide to call us. That way you know everything about this car. Alright guys, let's look under it. Appreciate you watching. Check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. We do test drive videos every day, so join the channel by hitting subscribe, and then you can also turn on the notification bell every time I post a car. We're going to get back to the test drive video. Check that out. I appreciate you watching, and thanks again guys. Y'all have a good election day.